Hello everyone, my name is Arthur, and today I want to show you something that I believe can change the way your company handles knowledge. This is xGLAMDRING AI Knowledge Base. It is a system that turns your company documents into a 24 hours, 7 days AI assistant. No more searching through folders. No more waiting for the right person to answer. Just ask a question and get an accurate answer immediately. Let me show you how it works. Knowledge lives in people, not in systems. Before I show you the system, I want to talk about a problem that every company faces. When a new staff member joins your team, they need asks for training before they can help a customer. They need to read menus. They need to ask senior colleagues. They need to make mistakes before they get it right. That is expensive and that is slow. But there is a bigger problem. When that senior colleague leaves the company or that knowledge leaves with them, you start over again. And even when your best staff are present, different people give different answers to the same questions. The quality of your service depends on who picks up the phone. These three problems, staff turnover, training cost, and inconsistent quality, are the reason this system exists. There is a better way. One system, three layers. The xGLAMDRING AI knowledge base is built on three layers. Layer 1 is a knowledge layer. You upload your company documents, product catalogs, service menus, FNQ files. The system reads every single paragraph, understands it, and stores it in an intelligent database. Layer 2 is the intelligence layer. This is where the AI works. Two engines work together to answer questions. One engine is for exact yes or no questions. The other is for detailed explanations. I will show you both in a moment. Layer 3 is the XX layer. Not everyone should see everything. Customers see public information. Staff see internal procedures. Management sees everything. One system, three perspectives. Put your documents in. Get a 24 hours, 7 days AI assistant out. Now let me show you each feature one by one. Feature number 1, multilingual support. Here is something important about this system. Your documents only need to be in one language. In our case, they are in traditional Chinese. But your customers can ask questions in any language they want. And the system will answer them in the same language they used. No translation files, no language toggle button, no extra setup. The AI detects the language automatically and it responds accordingly. Let me demonstrate right now. I'm going to ask the same question. first in Chinese and in English. The question is, how much does the Happy Book Pro 15 cost? Let me put the first question in. You can see the system found the answer from the product catalog document. The price is 52,800. The answer is in Chinese because the question was in Chinese. Now, let me ask the exact same question in English. Okay, so same question, same answer, different language. The knowledge base hasn't changed. No English documents were added. The AI simply understood the question in English, found the same information, and replied in English. This means you can serve international customers without hiring multilingual staff and without maintaining separate knowledge bases. Feature number 2, the rule engine. There is a category of questions that every business faces constantly. Do you have a store in Taipei? Do you ship to Japan? Is there a branch in Osaka? These questions have a definitive answer, yes or no. For these questions, we don't want the AI to guess. We don't want creative answers. We want a clear, accurate, constant response every single time. This is what the rule engine does. It doesn't search through documents. It consults a structured table that your team has confirmed is correct, and it gives a direct answer. So let me show you. First question, do you have a store in Taipei? No store in Taipei. Our store is in Taichung. You can see the tag here. Rule engine tag. This answer came from the rule engine, not from a document, from a structured lookup table. Now let me ask the next question. Iceland is outside our service area. Notice something important here. Iceland was never mentioned in any of our documents, but the system still gave a confident answer because the logic is simple. If a location is not on our service list, then we don't serve that location. The system doesn't guess. It applied a rule. But let me continue and ask the next question. Same result. No store in Osaka. No matter how the question is phrased, no matter which city or country is asked, the rule engine gives a consistent, accurate answer. Feature number 3, semantic search. Traditional search engines look for keywords. If a customer types refund policy, traditional search looks for the words refund and policy inside your documents. But customers don't always use the right words. They might say, I bought this and I don't like it. Can I get my money back? There is no word refund in that sentence. Analogy search will fail. Our system is different. It understands the meaning behind the words. It finds the intent, not just the text. And it finds answers from the most relevant sections of your documents. Let me show you three examples. The customer never said refund or return policy, but the system understood what they meant and found that the correct policy from the document. Let me continue. The assistant found the product specification document and pulled out the warranty information for the Happy View 27. 3 years with a zero dead pixel guarantee. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Three very different questions, three accurate answers, all found by understanding meaning, not matching keywords. Feature number 4. Cross-document answers. In real life, the answer to a question is rarely in just one document. A customer might ask, what is the warranty process for the HappyBook Pro 15? The warranty period is in the product catalog. The repair steps are in the operations manual. The return policy is in company FAQ. Three documents, one question. A traditional system will make you open all three documents yourself, read them, combine the information, then answer. Our system does that for you automatically. It searches across all documents at the same time. It finds the most relevant sections from each one, and it combines everything into a single, complete answer. Let me demonstrate. The customer received one completed answer. They did not need to ask multiple questions. One question, one answer from multiple sources. This is the power of cross-document search. Feature number 5, access control. Not every piece of information should be visible to everyone. Your product price and the store locations. Customer can see that. Your internal service scripts and the backend procedures. Only your staff should see those. Your confidential business data. Only management. This system handles all three levels in one platform. The way it works is very simple. When you name your document files, you add a prefix. Public means anyone can see it. Internal means only staff can see it. Confidential means only administrators can see it. That's it. Your team decide who sees what. The AI just enforces the rule. Let me show you the difference. I'm currently logged in as a guest. So let me ask a question that only staff should know the answer to. The system says it doesn't have this information. That is correct. Because that information is in the internal operations menu, and a guest doesn't have access to internal documents. So now let me switch to a staff account. So now I'm now logged in as staff. So let me ask exact same question. Okay, so same question, different answer. The staff account can see the internal operations menu. So the system gives the complete step-by-step instructions, same platform, same interface, different information based on who is asking. This means customer, staff, and management can all use the same system, and each one sees exactly what they are supposed to see, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, so let me summarize what we just saw. Multilingual. Ask in any language. Get answered in the same language. Rule engine. Definitive yes or no answers with no guessing. Semantic search finds the meaning behind the question, not just keywords. Cross document. One question answered from multiple sources automatically. Access control. One platform, three levels of access, zero data leakage. This system doesn't replace your people. It makes your people more powerful. It takes the knowledge that lives in your documents and makes it available to everyone who needs it at any time in any language.